Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about birds. Birds na பறவைகள். Birds can be classified into three types based on where they stay. They are pet birds, domestic birds, wild birds. Now let us see about pet birds. வீட்டில் செல்லமாக வளர்க்கக்கூடிய பறவைகள் தான் பெட் பேர்ட்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் parrot, dove, cockatiel. These are pet birds. Now let us see about domestic birds. Domestic birds can be kept for certain needs. சில தேவைகளுக்காக நம்ம domestic birds-ஐ வீட்டில் வளர்க்கிறோம். For example, hen gives us egg and meat. Duck gives us egg. Now let us see about some domestic birds' name. Hen, duck, cock, ostrich, turkey. These are domestic birds. Now let us see about wild birds. You would have seen lot of birds on the trees and forest, like eagle, crow, மைனா, kingfisher, peacock. These are wild birds. Now kindly complete the worksheet, children. Parents, help them to identify the name of the following birds. Thank you.